I love it.
There you go. It's a Joker, 9mm.
Is it really?
Yeah. Believe it or not, I got the matching AR for it.
Really?
Yep.
That's crazy, man. Okay, a quick update on our Cliff Road flip. The layout's complete. We have roughed in the plumbing, we've roughed in the electrical. The electrical and the plumbing have passed. Monday, we're gonna do the gas lines and then give G-Force a couple more days for the heating and air rough. Our hope is to get the framing inspection by next Wednesday. And then the second that happens, we've got to get a company to come in here and do insulation. A lot of times we'll do that ourselves, but this house is so big, let a company come here and do all the insulation. We opened this thing up a lot. We had to bring in a structural company to come in and help us get these floors kind of level. One thing that's usually missing in these old houses is a nice laundry room. So we created a laundry room on the second floor where the bedrooms are all at. Washer and dryer, we'll have some built-ins right here for storage, like for linens and things like that. We came in here and created a cool master bedroom. We moved the door to the master to right here. So now we're gonna have 3 bedrooms on this level, a laundry room and 2 bathrooms. This bathroom will have a tub, toilet, and a vanity, obviously. This is a big den right here, right? And then you're gonna have a bedroom here. We ordered windows to have egress. Have a closet right here. And this is the bathroom, right? Shower, toilet, vanity. And then you also have an entrance into the bathroom out of the den. So, you know, you're adding probably, what, another 1,000 square feet up here, easy? I really love the layout. I think it's turned out really good. We took some attic space on the 3rd floor and made a upstairs den and a bedroom and a bathroom out of that. We're rebuilding this back deck. How's everything going? Good?
Good. Just I changed this one. Because I found this good, I put this one, but he said no, I need to change it.
Why?
Because
Change what? So, not have anything there?
nope. No, it's a brick, but it's too loose. All porch is angle.
Hang on, explain this to me. Who told you to change this?
I've talked to Ross
Yeah?
because Ruben tell me I need to take it out all bricks to make it straight. When I touch, every brick coming down.
Okay, so right now, you're gonna put wood here.
Yeah.
I think that's okay. Yeah. So listen, yeah, put this just like that. That's good. And then put dog ears there and there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect. What are they doing right here?
The first one, basic.
Okay.
Just little spice.
Okay.
That's what I tell her. She can bring the little paint because I need to put it with the hands. I'm not gonna spray it, right?
Right.
What I spice.
When will we need the paint color?
Monday.
Monday.
Yeah.
How many gallons of paint we need?
Just 2.
No, more than that. Hey, listen, is this brick, do you think it's a good match?
This is the back, this is the face.
But I'm not painting the brick, you know that, right?
No, it's what I
Yeah.
painted with the hands.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. 6,000 square feet after we're done? Yeah, it's big. One obstacle you have with these older houses is a lot of the people in the area don't necessarily like the houses being messed with, especially on the exterior. And the city won't let you do that either. So any changes you make to the exterior of a historic home in Birmingham in these kind of neighborhoods, you have to get approval. But there are some people who love the historic houses so much that they don't even like people coming in and changing anything on the interior. But that's not always practical because it's hard to rewire a house without opening up some walls. What we try to do is we try to keep the interior doors and try to reuse those. We try to keep a lot of the nicer trims and reuse those. We left a lot of our Craftsman columns in this house. We're leaving the handrails. So we're still leaving a lot of historic cool things about this house intact.